The King Industrial 13-inch benchtop planer with helical style cutter head gives you power, features, and portability that could be a game changer in your shop. The helical style cutter head of the KC-13HPC uses 26 two-sided self-aligning cutters, which produce a high-end finish with almost no tear out and far less noise during operation. With a capacity of 13 inches by 6 inches, a powerful 15 amp motor, and large infeed and outfeed tables, this planer can handle most workshop needs for a fraction of the price of a floor-mounted planer. The cutter head raises and lowers on 4 precision ground columns for extra stability, and the thickness indicator with metric and imperial scales along with 8 preset depth stops and a locking cutter head make repeated cuts and hitting your desired thickness a breeze. Keep your shop and lungs clean by attaching dust collection to the included dust chutes, and when it's time to pack up for the night, the portability of the KC-13HPC really comes in handy. To get your own benchtop planer, visit a King Canada dealer near you or check out the website at kingcanada.com.